Looks like good moisture today. Agreed, perfect for planting.
Make sure we're selecting only the ones with the best sprouts.
This one looks perfect.
I'll toss this damaged one out.
Modern planting equipment ensures every potato is planted at the ideal depth and spacing. Each seed potato is planted with precision to maximize healthy crop growth. Proper irrigation provides the moisture needed for strong root development.
Healthy sprouts mark the beginning of a successful potato crop.
Continuous monitoring helps farmers maintain healthy crops throughout the growing season.
Balanced nutrition supports vigorous plant growth and high-quality potatoes.
The time has come to gather the fruits of our labor, and this year, the harvest looks promising. With the crop fully matured, the harvesting operation is ready to begin. The harvest begins as mature potatoes are carefully lifted from the soil with modern harvesting technology. Built-in separation systems remove soil and debris before collection. A careful inspection ensures only high-quality potatoes continue through the supply chain. The onboard storage bunker collects thousands of freshly harvested potatoes before unloading.
Fresh potatoes are transferred directly into transport trailers to maintain harvesting efficiency.
The day's harvest is organized before transport to the processing factory.
We'll take this batch first, follow the green tractor. Batch 16 is ready to move.
Every harvest is accurately weighed before leaving the farm.
Keep it steady. Looking good. Make sure the flow stays even. Just a few more. Perfect.
The freshly harvested potatoes now begin their journey toward the factory.
After a successful harvest, the potatoes arrive at the factory, where their transformation into crispy potato chips begins.
All right, bring it back slow and steady. Dock leveler engaging now. Looks good, open them up.
Every shipment is inspected to ensure only premium potatoes enter production. Good weight, looks solid. Verified, approve the load.
Confirming approval now.
That's it, bring her out.
Automated unloading protects the potatoes while maintaining a continuous production flow. Initial cleaning removes unwanted debris before the washing process begins.
Pre-washing removes surface dirt before deep cleaning begins. Rotary washing thoroughly cleans every potato before further processing.
Keep an eye on the side.
Copy that. AI's picking up the small ones well.
Automated and manual inspection ensures only the highest quality potatoes continue.
A controlled product flow keeps the entire production line operating efficiently. With cleaning complete, the potatoes move into the peeling department, the next step in creating perfectly crisp potato chips.
The peeling system removes the outer skin while protecting the quality of the potato.
Final trimming guarantees only premium potatoes continue to production. Polishing prepares every potato for precision slicing.
Manual expertise and automated inspection work together to maintain consistent quality. Any imperfect potatoes are automatically...
Precision grading ensures every potato meets strict manufacturing standards.
Precise blade settings create uniform slices for even frying.
High-speed slicing transforms whole potatoes into perfectly uniform chip slices.
Removing excess starch helps create crisp, evenly cooked potato chips.
Removing surface moisture improves frying efficiency and product quality. With preparation complete, the potato slices are ready for the transformation that gives them their signature golden crispness. The transformation begins as thin potato slices enter precisely controlled hot oil. Continuous frying ensures every slice cooks evenly from edge to center. Heat removes moisture while creating the golden color that defines every potato chip. As moisture evaporates, the chips develop their light and crispy texture. Computer-controlled systems maintain perfect frying conditions throughout production. Advanced filtration keeps the cooking oil clean and consistent throughout production. Precise cooking time creates the signature crunch loved around the world.
Excess oil is removed to achieve the ideal texture and flavor.
Gentle cooling prepares the chips for the next stage of production.
The first layer of seasoning is applied with precision to ensure consistent flavor in every chip.
Flavor blends are carefully prepared to maintain the same taste in every batch.
Precise seasoning systems ensure every chip receives a uniform coating of flavor.
Continuous mixing allows the seasoning to bond evenly with every chip.
Quality checks confirm that every batch meets strict flavor standards.
Automated vision systems verify consistent seasoning across the entire production line.
The finished seasoning process prepares the chips for final cooling and inspection.
Controlled cooling preserves the crisp texture before the final quality inspection. After cooling, every batch is ready for detailed quality inspection before packaging begins.
Controlled cooling preserves the crisp texture and prepares the chips for inspection.
Every batch is checked to ensure it reaches the correct cooling temperature. Approved chips continue toward the moisture testing laboratory.
Moisture testing ensures every chip delivers the perfect crunch.
Automated vision systems verify that every chip has the ideal golden color.
Consistent texture and shape are essential for a premium quality potato chip.
Food safety systems inspect every product before packaging begins.
Weight checks help maintain consistent product quality throughout production.
Expert tasting confirms that every batch delivers the expected flavor experience.
Only batches that meet every quality standard are approved for packaging.
The packaging process begins with precision loading of food-grade packaging film.
The printed film is shaped into individual bags before filling begins.
Precision weighing ensures every package contains the correct amount of chips. Computer-controlled filling keeps every package accurate and efficient. Airtight sealing locks in freshness and protects the product during distribution.
Every package receives a production code for complete traceability.
Automated inspection guarantees every package meets strict quality standards. Automation packs finished products quickly while protecting every bag from damage.
Robotic palletizing creates stable loads for safe transportation and storage.
With packaging complete, the finished products enter the warehouse, ready for shipment across the country.
Bring it in! Finished products enter the warehouse, where every pallet is carefully tracked and stored.
Digital inventory systems provide complete traceability for every shipment.
High bay storage maximizes warehouse capacity while keeping products organized.
Real-time warehouse monitoring keeps inventory accurate and ready for distribution. Customer orders automatically generate picking instructions for warehouse teams.
Forklift driver 9, proceed to aisle 14. Copy that, moving to location now. Selected products are retrieved quickly using digital warehouse guidance. Final verification ensures every shipment matches the customer's order. Products are organized by destination before loading begins. All supervisors report to Dock B. Careful loading protects every shipment during transportation. All secure, ready to close. The finished potato chips leave the factory, beginning their journey to supermarkets across the country. From the factory, products reach regional distribution centers for organized delivery. Every shipment is scanned and recorded before entering regional inventory. Smart logistics systems organize shipments based on delivery routes. Products are prepared for final delivery to retail stores. A nationwide distribution network delivers products to stores across the country. A nationwide distribution network delivers products to stores across the country. Store teams verify each delivery before stocking shelves. The product reaches store shelves, ready for customers.
After a long journey, the potato chips finally reach the consumer.
From soil to shelf, every chip carries a journey of precision, care, and quality.